What we're looking at today is this 44-inch Hampton by Montgomery 2 ceiling fan, manufactured in November of 2020. This was a trash find from earlier on in the week, and came exactly as you see it. This fan is still sold today, obviously, for around $70 to $80, depending on the finish. This comes in oil rub bronze and brushed nickel. And this is the second generation of the first Montgomery, which I believe is only 42 inches and was slightly thinner than this one, as well as the blade brackets were a little different. And of course the blades were different as well. But yeah, without further ado, get started with the light. And we'll go to low speed. From what I've heard, this fan has pretty bad reviews, and can't really understand why. If light output is one of the complaints, I could definitely see how that would be something people want to look out for, because the lighting output isn't exactly the greatest. But performance-wise, this fan is actually way better than most of you might think, which is why I'd say trash picking this was a very good decision. We're already moving a bit fast on low speed, but it's moving more air than you would expect, for sure. Here's medium. This is definitely the cutoff of your other modern three-bladed fans made in the past few years. Pretty sure the Harbor Breeze VU, or VU, however you want to say it, cuts off around this RPM for high speed. Which, this is moving good air, but I haven't experienced one of those, so I can't really speak for those. But it's moving good air. And the moment you've all been waiting for. This thing actually hauls. The blades are slightly droopy, but you can't really tell because the blade arms stick up a little bit. Alright guys, thanks for watching.